Hi and welcome. I'm Shashidhar, life coach, Reiki master, and spiritual healer. Today, I'm here to share with you about the chakra affirmation methodology of spiritual healing and how you can use this power to create magic and miracles in your life. We have here and even believed that we are a perfect creation of a perfect God. We are a drop in the ocean of love, peace, and happiness. We are infinite being with infinite power, freedom, and choice. But is this our experience of life? Frankly speaking, no. Every day we see a lot of imperfections in our life. The mind is bound to ask these questions. Let's understand. All the imperfections that we are seeing in the life are a reflection of the negative energies and negative emotions which are in us, buried deep in our subconscious mind. Our mind is a storehouse of memories, not only of the present life, but all the past lives till date. How does this work? Something happens in the outside world. A thought gets created, and this thought activates these memories and programs which are running in the subconscious mind. As a result, we react not only to the outside situation, but also to all these memories which are getting activated. And we actually explode like a building full of explosives. This you would have experienced in a fit of rage or when you are in an emotional outburst in an argument or a fight. The bad news is these memories and programs do not retire of their own. They do not go on vacations. You will have to retire them. And the worst part is you are not even aware of their presence. A person can live his whole life either in a miserable state or in a joyful state. Let us understand the basic difference. In a miserable state, a person has very high expectations and very low acceptance level. As a result, a person in a miserable state is full of complaints. In a joyful state, his acceptance level is very high and his expectation level is very low. So, he is happy and in full gratitude, not only to the divine, but to himself and all people in his life. In a miserable state, the person has many friends, all the negative emotions: fear, anger, hatred, jealousy, shame, guilt, hurt, blame, and so on. Behind these negative emotions is a set of disempowering beliefs, which could be any one of these. 1. I am not loved. 2. I am not worthy. 3. I am a failure. 4. I am rejected. 5. I am weak and helpless. These disempowering beliefs keep him in the downward spiral, and if this continues, then he can even get into depression or could take some suicidal actions. A very powerful way to transform this life from a miserable state to a joyful state is to create an affirmation. An affirmation with the power of visualization, the power of gratitude, and some proper repetition cycles can do wonders for a person. A very powerful affirmation could be something like this: Shashi loves, accepts, forgives, and thanks himself and all people in his life, and enjoys perfect health, perfect wealth, and perfect relationships. So it is. Thank you. Divine will be done. Now, this affirmation, when repeated periodically, can give very good results. For some people, results can come in 21 days. For some others, it could come in 63 days or 111 days. But for many people, this may not get you the desired result. Nothing wrong with the law of affirmation. What we have to consider, what is really important, is to find out the intensity of these negative blocks. If these negative blocks in the subconscious mind are of the size of a mountain, then these blocks have to be healed and removed from the subconscious mind before any good results can manifest in your life. And here, spiritual healing helps you in a big way. In spiritual healing, we have aura feedback and many other techniques by which we can find out the intensity of these blocks present in the chakras in the aura body. Once these blocks are identified, these can be healed and removed from the aura body, and we have different healing modalities to make specific affirmations to be inserted in the affected chakras. This is called chakra affirmations method. This is very powerful, and in a very short period of time can create magical results in your lives. Here I would like to mention that many people believe that they are destined to suffer and be miserable in life. Let me give you some clarity. You are destined to live a successful and fulfilled life. Love, peace, and happiness is your birthright. You may be born in poverty, misery, or suffering. That is not your fault. But you definitely don't have to live and die in poverty, misery, and suffering. You can be a master of your karma and your destiny. So wake up, be responsible for your life, and create that magic and miracles which are waiting to unfold in your life. Now, I would like to invite you to look into your life, find your concern areas, and see how my healing sessions can benefit you in those areas where you have been struggling for a considerable period of time. Maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years, nothing much has changed, or in fact, things would have gone for worse. Look into these areas and see if this area could be transformed, how would your life be? Now I am sure many of you would have many questions, and many of you would like some support. So please feel free to contact us, and we will be happy to serve you. I thank you for your time and your committed listening. Wish you all the best. Divine blessings, love and light.